Hello everyone. So this video is actually the continuation of the profit and loss and discount. So in the previous videos we have covered all the concept of profit and loss. Now in this video we will discuss about how the profit and loss and discounts this video is all about the problems, and let's continue with our first problem. So this is the first question. In this question, it has given as Akram has two types of grapes. One is the fresh grapes is equals to 80% of water, and dry grapes that is of 25% of water. He sells 20 kg dry grapes by adding water to dry grapes at cost price. What is the total profit percentage when adding water? The weight of 20 kg dry grapes increase the proportion of the fresh grapes. So let's start with the solution. So we will divide as first it is given as the fresh grapes. And another one as the dry grapes. Right? So in the fresh grapes the water percentage is 80%. And here the water percentage is 25%. ठीक है. अब हमें क्या लिखना होगा? 80%. That means how much is the pulp? Pulp will be the 20%, and here pulp will be the 75%. ठीक है. So this ratio is 4:1, and this ratio is 1:3, right? So this is the ratio we have found out from this fresh and dry grapes, and now we will calculate that what is the total profit percentage we need to find out. So that 1:3, how can we write? We can write as 5:15, right? It means 1:3, 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15. So it means 5 kg is of water and 15 kg is of pulp in dry grapes. Similarly, when we are considering this as 80:20 and 4:1, it means how much they have actually, this was 5, right? So how much they have given as a 5 when we are writing as, they have given us what is the weight of the 20 kg of the dry grapes increased. So when the 20 kg they have increased, so we can write as 80%, that is the 20%, and 20 kg out of the dry grapes they have increased. So this will be our required proportion is, it will be the 4:1. Here it is 4 and this is 1. So this will be the 60 kg and this will be the 15 kg. Okay friends, है ना? So 15 को अगर divide करोगे तो that is the 4:1, 15 kg is the 60 and this will be the 15 kg. यानी इसको divide करोगे that will be a 4:1. And इसका difference कितना है? 65 kg और 60 kg, that is the 55 kg is the difference, है ना? 60 minus 5. Or here this is also 15 kg and this is also 15 kg. So required proportion of the water and pulp is given as the 20%, that is the 15 kg. Thus to make a dry grapes similarly to the fresh grapes, क्योंकि हमें यहाँ पे profit percentage निकालना है fresh grape का, है ना? So हम profit percentage के लिए क्या लिखेंगे? 55/20 into 100, right? This is 55 kg अपॉन 20 जो हमें ये दिया गया था ड्राई ग्रेप्स का कितना इंक्रीज हुआ है, डिवाइड बाय 20 into 100. सो इसका आ जाएगा आपका 275%. ठीक है फ्रेंड्स. सो कितना टोटल प्रॉफिट परसेंटेज होगा? दैट विल बी 275%. दैट इज द आंसर. लेट्स टेक मोर क्वेश्चंस रिलेटेड टू दिस प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस. So in the second question, ABC invest in the ratio of 3:4:5. The percentage of return on their investment are in the ratio of 6:5:4. So find the total earning of B earns 250 rupees more than A. So हमें B की earning निकालनी है when he is earning 250 rupees more than A. So let's write about first we will write as A, B, C. What is their investment? I'll denote as I. ठीक है? This is investment. How much A has invested? That is 3x. How much B? This is 4x. Then C, this is 5x. I have done nothing, that is I have written as in the form of x. This is ratio. Okay. Now we are talking about the rate of return. How much is the percentage they have returned as rate return? How much it is given as 6y percentage. This is 5y percent. This is 4y percent. Now return is, here we will write as return. Return is, this can be multiplied. 6 3 is 18, 18xy upon 100 because it is percentage. Then 5 4 is 20xy upon 100. This is also 20xy upon 100. Okay friends, now we will write as total. Total is equals to 18 plus 20 plus 20, 40, 40, 50, 58. Right? So this will be a 58xy upon 100. Now we will write about the earnings. How much they have given as a total earnings of if B earns 250 more than A, that is 250. So we will write as B's earning minus A earning is equals to total as 250. Okay. So B's total earning we need to find out, and we have this 2xy upon 100 is equals to 250. Now we need to find out what will be the x and y. Okay, so 2 it will get cancelled as 50 and xy is equals to 5 in 5 5 is 25, 2 5 2 is 10, 12. 12,500. 12,500. One second. If 2xy upon 100 is 250, we need to find out as the total. So 58xy upon 100 is how much? It will be a, if you solve this equation, you will get as a 7250. So 7250 will be our answer because we have given us total as here we have find out that 58xy will be the total. Okay, and here we need to find out the total 58xy upon 100 because we have calculated 2xy upon 100. So 58xy upon 100 is equals to 7250. You can multiply 2 into some number and here also 250 into some number. So you will get 7250. Okay friends, we will take more questions. Question number 3 is, a trader markup his goods at 80% and discount is 25%. Besides it, he weighs 10% less discount on selling. Find the net profit. ठीक है, सो हमें यहाँ पे नेट प्रॉफिट निकालना है और सेलिंग प्राइस का हमें ये पता करना है कि कितना होगा. लेट सेलिंग प्राइस ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट, सेलिंग प्राइस प्रोडक्ट का कितना होगा? 10% लेस डिस्काउंट ऑन सेलिंग बोल रहा है. तो बेस अगर हम 100 मानते हैं तो वो सेलिंग प्राइस विल बी द 90, राइट? सेलिंग प्राइस 90 हो गया. एंड एक्चुअल प्राइस ऑन 1 ग्राम कितना हो सकता है? एक्चुअल प्राइस कैन बी अ 1 रुपी. ठीक है. सो मार्क प्राइस is markup is goods at 80%, right? So mark price can be a 1.8, 1 into 80 by 100, so it can be a 1.8. ठीक है friends. So selling price का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? मार्क प्राइस माइनस डिस्काउंट परसेंटेज ऑन मार्क प्राइस, राइट? सो हम यहाँ पे लिखेंगे मार्क प्राइस इज 1.8 माइनस 1.8 इंटू 1/4. 1/4 क्यों किया? बिकॉज इट इज गिवन एज अ डिस्काउंट एज 25%. सो इसको सॉल्व करेंगे तो कितना आएगा? 1.8 माइनस दिस विल बी 18/10 Okay, so 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18, 9 by 20, and answer can be a 1.35. ठीक है, सो 1.35 हमने निकाला है, इसका जो हमारा सेलिंग प्राइस कितना होगा. सो इसको सॉल्व करने पे हमारा 1.35 जो आया है, दिस विल बी फॉर द 1 ग्राम. ठीक है, 1 ग्राम. Now we need to find out the profit percentage. What will the profit percentage in this? So what is the formula for the profit percentage? Profit percentage, if he gives the good worth rupees 90 and charges for this can be for rupees 135, after how much discount? That is 25% discount. So after 25% discount, what will be the profit percentage? ठीक है फ्रेंड्स, हमें प्रॉफिट परसेंटेज निकालना था. इसका नेट प्रॉफिट परसेंटेज कितना होगा? सो हम यहाँ लिखेंगे 135 माइनस 90 अपॉन 90 इंटू 100. सेलिंग प्राइस माइनस कॉस्ट प्राइस अपॉन कॉस्ट प्राइस इंटू 100. सो इसका आ जाएगा आपका, इसको सॉल्व करने पे आपको मिल जाएगा 50%. ठीक है, so 50% is the net profit which we have calculated on the trader markup is goods. So less a discount, he was besides if it is weighs as 10% less discount, he's getting the profit as 50%. So this is the third question. Now we will take more question related to this. Next question is, Rahul purchased a mobile and a shopkeeper told him to pay a 20% as a tax. Discount is of 5% on the actual price of mobile and he paid to shopkeeper is 3,325 without tax. He manages to avoid to pay 20% as tax. What is the amount of discount? So हमें यहाँ पे डिस्काउंट की वैल्यू निकालनी है कि उसने कितना पे किया है at the end. So let will be the cost price is 100 and selling price with tax is 120, right? Because if he's told him to pay as a 20% as tax, then it will be the 120. So selling price is equals to 100 minus 5 is equals to 5% on the actual price of mobile, then it will be a 95, right? Then effective discount can be a 120 minus 95 this will be the selling price and this will be the cost price. So I have subtracted, so I'll write as 25 will be the effective discount. Now selling price of 95 when he's giving a discount, that is जब 95 का होगा तो उसका डिस्काउंट कितना होगा? 25, राइट? एंड तब क्या होगा जब सेलिंग प्राइस उसकी कितना होगा? 3,325. सो इट कैन बी अ 25 अपॉन 95, 25 अपॉन 95 into 3,325. Then it will be the answer is of how much discount? 875. Okay friends, so ये थे हमारे 4 क्वेश्चन related to the selling price and discount. So what is the amount of discount? It can be a 875. So friends, अगर आपको हमारी वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो प्लीज लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा और इस वीडियो के बाद जो बेल आइकन होगा सब्सक्राइब बटन उस पर प्रेस कीजिएगा. अगर आपको इससे रिलेटेड कुछ डाउट्स होंगे तो प्लीज कमेंट सेक्शन में अपने कमेंट्स लिखिए और आगे से आगे जो भी वीडियोस अपलोड होंगे उनसे आप जुड़ सकते हैं.